Guys, we're above yesterday's high. We're 50 points from Dow 30K. Record high S&P, record high NASDAQ. Let's get to Bob Pisani. Hey, Bob.
And some record highs around the world, Carl. Good morning, everybody here. 8-1 advancing to declining stocks. Great start to the month here. Some positive hopes on vaccine. Of course, we got start of the month here. Some vague reports on new stimulus plans as well floating around out there. So a lot of positive factors for the markets. Take a look at the sectors. December starting out a lot like November actually performed, with bank stocks and energy stocks in the lead. There's your value play, if you want to call it that. Cyclicals like industrial strong. This is an exact playbook of November overall. Healthcare lagging, defensive and consumer staples lagging a bit, but still on the upside. This is exactly what happened, as I mentioned, in November. Energy stocks, very amusing to watch energy stocks. They've sort of become day trading ping pong balls here, generally on the upside. Some of these have had 25, 30% moves up in November, but in the last few days, they've been bouncing all over the place as a lot of people are trying to figure out what OPEC's intentions are and exactly how big this spring reopening travel story is going to be. A lot of movement in the stocks that are refiners trying to figure out what the demand's going to be in the spring. Meantime, Jim was talking about a worldwide rally, and he's absolutely right about this. We're hitting new highs, and in some cases record highs, particularly in Asia. So the Shanghai's about 2.5-year high right there. The Nikkei, this is the highest level since 1991 for Japan, believe it or not. And elsewhere, Korea is sitting right at or near historic high, not quibble about a couple points. India also sitting right at or near historic highs as well. So Jim's right. This is absolutely a worldwide rally here. The reopening story is very, very real. We had huge inflows in November into ETFs. Simple flows into S&P 500 funds and Russell 2000 funds, and big flows into energies, industrials, financials. This is people putting their money where their mouth is, not just moving on prices, putting money into the businesses. And this shows you the power of indexing and passive investing, how big it's getting. Speaking of passive investing, you heard about the Tesla news. S&P 500 is going to put Tesla in at the close on December 18th, all at once here. And we're talking about $72 billion. Put up that Tesla full screen, $72 billion here to go in to buy Tesla. That means there's going to be $72 billion to sell, folks. And that's an awful lot of stocks to sell. So the big question here is this going to go smoothly? Hopefully it will. Remember, in theory, it shouldn't change prices at all. It's simply just moving money around. And overall, the values will still stay the same. But this is the biggest rebalancing ever. Nothing's ever come close to this. That's why S&P consulted people to see if everyone was comfortable with going ahead and doing it. As for Tesla, what are you going to say? 600% move for the entire year.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.